Today, I am here with heart full of peace and certainty. Knowing na masaya at tumpan ko si Mama at Papa dahil ikaw ang makakasama ko habang buhay. This love we share is my greatest blessing, my safe place and my home. And I will forever choose you.
Kahit anong mangyari, sa bawat araw, sa bawat habang buhay, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Mahal, mahal na mahal kita.